Hello everyone! Today we're going to draw a cute Pikachu together. Let's get started. First, let's draw a long horizontal line on our paper. From the horizontal line, draw a semicircle. After drawing, you'll notice that it looks like a bowl we use for eating. Next, draw a big circle a bit inside the semicircle. This circle will be Pikachu's head. Inside the circle, draw two small circles. These will be Pikachu's eyes. Leave some white space inside the eyes. Now draw Pikachu's nose and mouth. Then complete Pikachu's small hands. Drawing Pikachu's hands is simple. They look like small hooks. Next, draw Pikachu's ears. The ears look like long triangles. Draw a small curved line inside each ear. After drawing the ears, let's complete Pikachu's tail. Pikachu's tail can be tricky, so follow the teacher step by step. The tail should look like a lightning bolt. Now use a black marker to fill in the tips of Pikachu's ears, the triangular parts. After filling them in, we will start drawing the pattern on Pikachu's small ball. In the lower semicircle, use semicircles, big or small, to create rings around it. Then, use a black marker to deepen the semicircle and fill in the color at the bottom. After filling it in, we move on to coloring with markers. Take out a pink marker and color Pikachu's cheeks. Then, use a yellow marker to color Pikachu's entire body. You can either color a large area or, like the teacher, outline and fill in the edges and shadows of Pikachu's body. After completing this, take out a dark blue marker and go over the curved lines we drew earlier. Layer and fill in the two smallest semicircles. Then use a pink marker to layer and outline the outermost semicircle's edge. After filling it in, use a yellow marker to deepen and solidify it. And there you have it! Our entire drawing is complete. Great job, everyone!
Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.